Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the Job Notes panel. Let's get started. The Job Notes panel provides a centralized location to document key communications, activities, and decision points related to each job. Whether capturing a quick update or logging a phone call with an adjuster, this panel supports time-stamped record keeping to improve team visibility and job accountability. Notes can be created both from the Blade desktop and mobile apps, making it easy to capture information in the office or in the field. Click inside the Edit area to edit an existing note. All changes are saved automatically. Filter the displayed list of notes using the radio button selectors at the top of the panel. Select from Operations, Billing, or All to narrow the list based on the note audience. The notes are automatically sorted by date and time. If a note is no longer needed or was entered in error, it can be deleted using the trash icon on the right side of the note. To create a new note, click the New Note button. You'll be prompted to select whether the entry is a general note or a contact log. A contact log is a note designed to capture details about contacts made to a carrier, adjuster, occupant, or client. Blade presents a list of contact details from the carrier, adjuster, occupant, and client contact details already selected or entered for this job. Selecting from this contact list will auto-record important contact details when a new note is added. Restrict access to the note simply by selecting the appropriate access level. Select Operations to make the note viewable by all users. Select Billing to restrict access to users with admin or finance-level company access. Okay, let's hit a few best practices. Encourage your team to log important conversations, adjuster communications and approvals, customer concerns, and internal decisions to maintain a reliable and auditable history for each job. Use the contact log feature to seamlessly tie each note to contact info. All right, that's a good overview of the Job Notes panel. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.